Hello children, I hope you are all happy and healthy today. Welcome to this special English hour. Here we will learn a lot of new things and have lots of fun. नमस्ते बच्चों, I hope आप सब स्वस्थ और तंदुरुस्त हैं। इस स्पेशल इंग्लिश आवर में आप सबका स्वागत है। यहाँ हम ढेर सारी नई चीजें सीखेंगे और खूब मस्ती करेंगे। Are you ready to have some fun? Then please stand up and come close to your TV screen. We will sing a song and dance. अगर आप सबको मस्ती करनी है तो प्लीज खड़े हो जाइए और मेरे साथ ये गाने में जुड़ जाइए। Let's go.
Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, roll, roll, roll. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, roll, roll, roll. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, everybody roll.
फल कौन सा है? My favorite fruit is mango. They are very juicy and very bright in color. मुझे आम बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि वो बहुत रसीले होते हैं और अच्छे रंग के होते हैं। Now children, can you tell me which is your favorite food item? क्या आप आपकी सबसे मनपसंद डिश बता सकते हैं? My favorite dish is dal and rice. I like it because it's very simple to eat and very healthy. It's also very easy to cook. मुझे दाल राइस पसंद है क्योंकि वो बहुत आसानी से खा सकते हैं और वो मुझे बहुत हेल्दी बनाते हैं। वो बहुत आसानी से बन भी जाते हैं। Do you know how to cook your favorite dish? क्या आपको आपकी फेवरेट डिश बनाना आता है? I know how to cook dal and rice. I hope you also know how to cook it. मुझे दाल राइस बनाना आता है। आशा करती हूँ आपको भी आपकी मनपसंद डिश बनानी आती है। I hope you liked this discussion. Now, let us read a chapter where a man is making his favorite dish. Before we start reading the chapter, let us learn some new words. We will find these words in the chapter. Our first word is stir. 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 Meena was stirring curd and water to make buttermilk. We need to stir sugar in the milk. Our second word is pan. 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 Tom put the pan on the stove. The pan was too hot. Our third word is fry. 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 Fry the onions until they are soft. Fry the mushrooms with a little butter. Our last word is toss. Toss. उन शब्दों पे रखिए जो मैं पढ़ रही हूँ. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है तो ध्यान से सुनिए. Let's read mix a pancake. Do you see the chef here? He loves making pancake. Let's read it. Mix a pancake. Stir a pancake. Pop it in the pan. Fry a pancake. Toss a pancake. Catch it if you can. Let's read it a little faster. Mix a pancake, stir a pancake, pop it in the pan. Fry a pancake, toss a pancake, catch it if you can. Wasn't it an interesting poem? The chef is teaching us how to make pancakes. इस कविता में वो शेफ हमें बता रहे हैं कि पैनकेक्स यानी मालपुए कैसे बनाते हैं. He tells us that first we need to mix it, stir it. Then we need to fry it and then toss it. Then we need to catch it also. वो हमें बताते हैं कि हमें पहले उसको मिक्स करके अच्छे से हिलाना पड़ेगा. फिर हमें उसको तल के ऊपर उछालना पड़ेगा और फिर उसको पकड़ना भी पड़ेगा. I hope you liked the poem. Now it's time for a very interesting activity. Now I will teach you how to make a banana delight. You have to listen and see carefully. Then follow my instructions. अब हम एक बनाना डिलाइट बनाएंगे. आपको गौर से सुनना है और मेरे बाद दोहराना है.
Children, give it a good stir. Now it's time that we add little sugar in this banana delight. I'm putting half a spoon. You can add sugar as per your taste. Mix it well till the sugar dissolves in the milk. Your banana delight is ready. Enjoy your yummy banana delight.
I hope you enjoyed the activity. Now it's time for you to sit back and relax while I tell you a wonderful story. Children, have you ever played with your food? क्या आपने कभी आपके खाने के साथ मस्ती की है? I remember when I was very small, I played with some noodles. How did your parents react when you played with your food? आपके मम्मी पापा ने क्या किया जब आप खाने के साथ खेल रहे थे? My parents scolded me. They were very upset with me. And they told me that we should not play with food. मेरे मम्मी पापा बहुत नाराज हो गए और उन्होंने कहा कि हमें कभी भी खाने से नहीं खेलना चाहिए. Like some of us, there is one more girl who is playing with her breakfast. Would you like to see what happens? Let me read a story to you called Uma versus Upma, written by Meera Ganapati. Vadas for breakfast, she puts those vadas onto her ring and she pretends to be a queen with many vada jewelry. जब सुबह नाश्ते में वड़ा बनते हैं तो वो वड़ा को अपनी रिंग बना देती है और फिर वो रानी की तरह चलने लगती है. Mouth onto the side of the cheek and pretends to have chubby cheeks, like that girl of class 4B. Bye, Amma. She leaves for school. उमा को बॉन्डे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद, तो वो अपने मुंह में एक साइड में उनको भर देती है और फिर वो कहती है कि मेरे पास चबी चीक्स है. ऐसा कह के वो स्कूल चली जाती है. Amma is a great cook and her idlis are very famous in the colony. But Uma doesn't care so much about Amma's cooking. instead she fills the idlis in her pocket and uses them as cushions in the bath. अम्मा जो बनाती है वो बहुत स्वादिष्ट होता है और सबको पसंद आता है, लेकिन उमा को उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता। वो इडलियां बस में लेके जाती है और तकिए की तरह उसको यूज करती है। Uttapam becomes hats and Pongal are to feed the Malagai cat. Nothing can make Uma eat her breakfast. But today she has a small little problem. Amma has made mushy rava upma and served it on her favorite plate. Uma उत्तपम को टोपी बना देती है और पोंगल बिल्ली को खिला देती है। कुछ भी करके वो नाश्ता नहीं खाती है, लेकिन आज उसकी अम्मा ने रवा उपमा बनाया है और उसकी फेवरेट प्लेट में दिया है। Now, what will Uma do with upma? She can't pin it to her uniform. It will fall off. She can't even make rings out of it. She can't even use it as a cushion. She can't even make a cap of it, and she cannot feed it to the cat because everyone knows cats hate उपमा। अब उमा उस उपमा के साथ क्या करेगी? वो यूनिफॉर्म पे तो नहीं लगा सकती, उपमा की तो वो रिंग भी नहीं बना सकती, उपमा का वो टोपी भी नहीं बना सकती और ना ही उसका तकिया। ना ही वो किसी बिल्ली को खिला सकती है क्योंकि बिल्लियों को उपमा नहीं पसंद। Uma wonders what to do with upma. As she is thinking, बाइट ले लेती है, लेकिन उसको कुछ और मिल जाता है, गाजर। She takes one more bite, wondering what will she find this time. Owie! What is this strong and spicy little piece? Ginger! उमा और एक बाइट लेती है, लेकिन इस बार कुछ बहुत कड़क और तीखा आ जाता है, अदरक। Curious, Uma eats one more bite. Ooh! Now it's green chili. Her mouth is burning. She gobbles up all the upma to put down the fire in her mouth. उमा को जानना था कि और क्या है उपमा में, तो उसने और एक बाइट ली और उसको हरी मिर्च आ गई, उसको बहुत तीखा लगा। तो फिर उसने सारा उपमा खा लिया, वो तीखापन मिटाने के लिए। The fire is out, and guess what? The plate is empty. उसकी तिखास तो मिट गई, लेकिन साथ में प्लेट भी खाली है। Uma, where has the breakfast vanished this time? Into my tummy, says Uma. उमा की मम्मी उसको पूछती है, इस बार कहाँ गया तुम्हारा नाश्ता? उमा कहती है, इस बार तो सब मेरे पेट के अंदर है। Uma no longer plays with the breakfast. She has become a very, very, very nice girl, and everyone likes her. Everyone but the Milagai cat. So if you find the cat anywhere, please feed her some pongal. उमा अब बहुत अच्छी लड़की बन गई है। वो अब नाश्ता कहीं नहीं डालती। सब उससे बहुत खुश है। सब नहीं, वो बिल्ली उससे नाराज है। तो अगर वो बिल्ली कहीं मिल जाए, उसको प्लीज पोंगल खिला देना। Wasn't it an interesting story? We saw how Uma kept playing with her breakfast. She played with the idli, the vadas, the dosa and the uttapa. But one day she ate the upma and she really liked it. Then she stopped playing with the breakfast and she ate it every day. I hope you liked today's session and the interesting recipe making. Please make that recipe with your parent or guardian. I will see you soon in the next session. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.